Hey West Texas, welcome back to Bargaining with Bree. I'm your host Bree. I'll be showing you how to bargain on a budget this holiday season, doing DIY projects for you and the family to enjoy. All right, let's get started. We're gonna do cookie snow globes. You're gonna need your cookies. You're gonna need a half bowl. You can get this from your local craft store. You're gonna need icing of your choosing, any color. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. Hey y'all, the icing is green, so it got keyed out in the screen. Don't do this at home. All right, let's continue. And your lucky stars, these are edible. Find these in your craft or cooking section. Lastly, you're gonna need sprinkles. So you're gonna grab your cookies. I'm gonna do 2, but again, this is to your choosing. Grab your icing, because we need a base.
Grab your icing, get that up there.
Set her down, then you just place her up there. Now, the cookies are a great part to your Christmas traditions because you have to leave something for Santa. I used to do this as a child, growing up with my brother and I, and we would just do chocolate chip cookies because our Santa liked chocolate chip cookies. I don't know what your Santa might like. He might like sugar cookies, he might like oatmeal raisin, whatever. Ask Santa, write a letter and ask Santa what cookies he likes. So once that's done, put this here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just good. Sprinkle time. Gonna add the sprinkles. Now this part, warning, may get a little messy, but just do it. And if it falls on the outside of the cookie, it adds nice character. So then we're gonna grab our stars. I'm gonna do one like that and have it like propped up a little bit. Again, you can decorate it how you want. There's other options out here where you can have like a cute little reindeer, cute little Santa. I can't wait. But you're gonna grab your snow globe now. And you're gonna put it over top. And voila! You have a snow globe cookie. Now this is quick and easy. It's definitely something fun you can do on Christmas Eve to give to Santa. So, snow globe cookies. The next one is holiday poppers. Quick and easy as well. All right, so you're going to need some wrapping paper. Any wrapping paper of your choosing. I like Frosty the Snowman, so I'm gonna do Frosty. Next, you're going to need some ribbon, preferably thin ribbon. Now you can do thicker ribbon as well, but I think this will work better for this type of project. You're gonna need 4 of these, so cut 2 more as well. Now, you're gonna need tape, scissors, and your 2 half bowls, and fill them with any candy of your choosing. I chose peppermints. So now, let's assemble. So you're gonna take your 2 half bowls, get you some tape. You're gonna need about 2 strips of tape. Put the 2 half bowls together. You might have to take candy out or put candy in, again, to your choosing. Tape on the side. Uh-oh, see, we almost lost some candy there. Tape some here. Boom. Done. It looks like a little egg. We're not at Easter yet. Slow down time. Slow down. All right. So now, put it in the middle. It's like wrapping gifts. Have y'all started wrapping gifts yet? Honey, everybody's gift is still at the store. Shh, 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 shh. Start wrapping gifts. Now, when you wrap gifts, I'm no expert in wrapping, but I know it's easier with a different shape or size, like rectangle, square. So with this egg, don't feel bad if it takes you a couple tries. See, the tape is not trying to let me be great here. All right, Get that done. Like doing surgery. Y'all watch Grey's Anatomy? Okay, now that we have that, we're gonna leave the excess sides out because when it's time to cut to get the actual like candy looking side symmetric.
Child. Anyway, so
leave the excess out. This song I've been playing in my head these days have been the instrumental from Home Alone. Just like tying a shoe. There we go. Then you just tie it in a bow. And what you do here, you do the same on the other side. Now back to Christmas music and Christmas movies. My favorite is Home Alone. I would say Home Alone 2. I don't know what it is about me in movies, but I love the sequels better than the originals. But I also just love New York as well, so that really did it for me. Kevin! Okay. It looks like a big peppermint. My favorite movie is Home Alone 2. I would like to know your favorite Christmas movie. Put your top 3 in the comments and let me know. All right. Now that we got the bows, I'm gonna cut a little excess ribbon off of mine. Now, this part, you will have to get a guardian to help you with. It's just so you won't injure yourself. But open the scissors all the way. This is what they taught me in grade school. You're gonna take your ribbon, take your scissors, hold the ribbon a little bit, and just slide up the ribbon like that. And it'll give like a little curly effect to it. Now there are ribbons that are already curled on the end, but I just like to go do it myself. So, here we go. Christmas music. Now we know Mariah Carey is Queen of Christmas. And that's one of my favorite Christmas songs. But the ultimate is the Christmas song by Nat King Cole. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Y'all heard that? Okay. That's one of my faves. It always brings me back to just the beauty of Christmas. Like it's how it's just all about giving back. Mostly giving and not receiving, but just that time to be around your family and friends and just enjoying each other and going into the new year. All right, now let's finish this up. So let's cut the excess off as much as you like. I'm just gonna eyeball it and go right here. Now, fluff it out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fluff it out. And then, uh-oh. Might be a little heavy-handed. Let's slow down. All right. Now, we're finished. And this is your holiday popper. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope you guys enjoy your holiday season, your Christmas day. Remember to do these things on Christmas Eve or on Christmas Day. Have fun with your family. Be safe. Happy holidays.